Alright, buddy, welcome back to Wait Build Dig. I got something very cool to show you today. I finally got my brush cutter in, and this thing is very intimidating when you look at it. I mean, this thing looks mean, you know. The place I bought this from, which was called MTL Attachments. The guy there said he was building 150 of these every month. So there was like a 6 to 8 weeks waiting once you put your order in. So I went ahead and put my order in. Well, it took about 6 weeks. Matter of fact, I got it on the 6 weeks, so that was counting delivery, you know, a couple days for delivery. So that wasn't bad. But this is brand new MTL XC7T Extreme Brush Cutter, and it'll cut up to 7-inch hardwood and 14-inch softwood. So that's pretty cool. But this is the brush cutter I've been talking about, that I've been wanting to get. When I made my skid steer video that I bought, when I bought my skid steer, this is one attachment I was talking about wanting to get that would clear out all these brush up underneath these tree lines all the way across my property line and different areas on the property. So this will do it. So I'm excited to use it, and I got some people that want me to come out and do some work for them, so that'd be cool. So hopefully this year we'll be doing more of this stuff once I get my house built. I mean, I might squeeze in a couple jobs here and there, you know, as they come along. But once I get my house built, and then I'm wanting to switch over and do this kind of stuff. But anyway, today is Saturday and it is New Year's, so Happy New Year's, everybody. Hopefully it'll be a good year. I got a lot of exciting things I want to do this year. But yeah, let's hook up to this thing and give it a test run and see how it works. Alright guys, I've been trying to figure out how to turn this thing on continuous flow. So let me show you what I was doing. When I had the camera outside, I was pushing this button right here, thinking I had to turn it on. And turns out after messing with this thing for a minute, I don't even have to turn that on to get my brush cutter to turn on. So what I do is on my right joystick, I push this rocker arm switch. I push it forward, and it goes. You let go of it, it stops, right? So I was like, well, heck, how do I make it continuous? So I watched a video, and all the videos I had, they all had the advanced display up here. So you would turn the switch on like this, which then on your display on the advanced one there would be a green light that would come on and it would start blinking. And then you would push this rocker arm forward and hold it for like 3 seconds, and then it would be continuous flow. Well, I tried it thinking maybe it would still work, even though my display is the older type. Well, that didn't work. So then I looked over here and I saw this button right here. Zoom up on it. So I figured, you know what, maybe that's continuous flow. You know, it's got a circle around it. So I pushed that. So I pushed it. Voila, there's my green light flashing. So now I can come down here, push the thing forward, hold it, and then when that green light goes solid, now I can let go of the button. So now I let go of the button, and the brush cutter's still running. So now I got continuous flow. So I just want to show you that, because otherwise I was going to have to run this thing with holding that button forward with my thumb. That would have been really exhausting for my thumb. And then just to stop, I just pull back up. Or I could probably wiggle like that. But anyway, and then see, then the button is blinking again. And the brush cutter's not on right now. Anyway, now I'm ready to run this thing and try it out. All right, that does a pretty good job. I just want to see how it would do in this. I mean, I know like a regular tractor could handle all this stuff right here, even the stuff I was doing. Like, it would handle all that. But I wanted to see how that machine would do. A lot of up and down with the control. You know, keep it from digging into the ground, but it's manageable. I really liked it going over this ditch. Because last year I did all this with my father-in-law's tractor and a bush hog, and my leg was wore out by the time I got done doing the job, because his is he's got gears with the clutch and everything, and so it was a lot of clutching, backing up over to the slope of that ditch right there. But anyway, a lot easier with that machine. There's a ditch down there. I'll walk down there and show you. Hold on. All right, better yet, I'll just drive. Okay, so there was a ditch down here. This log you see right here kind of blocked our path. It was pretty much laying. You can kind of see what it was. Right about there. But I pushed it over there, and then I could get all the way down there to that ditch. But there's a ditch right there. You can see that ditch. Cuts across. I don't know why they didn't just run all the way down there to the stream there, but they didn't. But anyway. I'm making it hard, you guys can't see. This is really hard to hold you. One hand. Look at all these bushes. All right, got it all cleaned up again. Blew it off with my blower and put it back on the pallet. But yeah, this thing works pretty good. Real happy with it. I have to take my time when I'm getting into a bigger tree. You know, let it gnaw on it for a little bit. I mean, it does, you know, kind of like wax them off, and they just kind of fall right there, and then you can kind of run over it and let it mow it up like a mower. But it takes a while. And you can see some of the remains over here. Here's the neighbor's kitty. Anyway, you can see some of the remains. See how it leaves these big old pieces of like wood everywhere. But I mean, it's not too bad. Okay, that's what it looks like. About the size my thumb. So about an inch and a half. But you know, now you can come in there and do what you want with that. Again, you're reclaiming the property. So that's nice. As you mow it, it'll get rid of all that stuff. So you go from that to that. I mean, that's a big difference. Real big difference. I'm trying to remember what time I got out here today. I really don't remember. Probably about 8:20. And by the time I got done, by the time I really got ready to hook up, it was probably 10. Well, probably about 9:30. And then I got started. But anyway, so let's see, 9:30 till now. I've been messing around for, just say 2 o'clock, so just say 5 hours. So 5 hours of mowing all that down there by the road, and then all this up here. So that's not too bad. Not too bad, I like it. But yeah, so this is a good attachment. I'm glad to have it. I'm glad to have it in my possession now, and really looking forward to using it this year. Alright guys, like I said earlier, Happy New Year. Y'all have a good one. Look forward to watching this brush cutter in action on some job sites. And if you have any questions or comments, please ask them. Till the next one.